I am using a Italian silk in a chocolate brown to ply with this one. I started it and totally forgot to turn on the record. This is only 20 grams. And then when I finish this, I will break the plying thread and tie on the other plying thread for the next one. And I'm just going to fill up the bobbins instead of having one yarn per bobbin. Okay, so that on there, and then I cut this plying thread, and I am going to use a fluoro pink. Fluoro pink for this one, and then you tie that onto the last leader. And continue. This is 50 grams, this one. So it's going to fill up this bobbin. Okay. Alright, I have now finished this one. I'm only doing 2 yarns per bobbin, unless the yarns are only 20 grams, but this one is complete. I will start back up when I have stained them up and I can share what they look like. Stay tuned. Bye. This one I am going to be plying it with a 4-strand Italian silk and silver metallic thread. And I will be plying this as a double ply slub. And voila, this is the end of that one. There's 50 grams. So like the others, I will skein it up and I will share with you at the end what that looks like. Bye, see you soon. Hi and welcome back. Here is the yarn for the unicorn, how it turned out. Very pretty. I used a sparkle Plying silk, Italian silk with sparkle, and it's turned out really nice. It's about 62 grams in that one. Hi and welcome back. Here is the end result to this video, the spinning. There's this one, which I got 36 grams out of. Very pretty. I call it Skittles. And a small 20-gram skein of Blaze. So they turned out quite nice. These are part of the big custom order that I am doing at the moment. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make them. You will see me in this dress for the next one as well, because I am revealing them all today in one go. But I have been spinning all of these together on one big bobbin, and then I plied 2 yarns per video. Because it's just a lot of work and too many hours to be put into 15-20 minutes. So I'm broken them up so you've got more videos. There is one more one more video to reveal the end yarns for. And then I will be getting into starting the new spin today as well. So I hope you all enjoyed this one. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have yet to do so. Hit the all notification bell if you'd like to be notified when I upload the next one first. And yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and bye for now. Bye bye.